Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Chadel Mathare. I am back with another short video. Do let me know in the comment section whether you like these short videos or whether you like longer videos. Anywho, on to the matter at hand. In my last video, I shared a twist out installation with you guys on heat damaged hair. This installation was filmed in November of 2022. So I then promised you guys an updated twist out video on hair where most of the heat damage has been cut off. This is supposed to be this video. But I have been sitting on this video for weeks because I don't think it's a fair comparison. For one, I am currently trying to rediscover products that work for my hair in the tropics. So leave any suggestions you have for products that facilitate great definition in the Caribbean. For two, my finger was damaged when I filmed this video, so my twist structure is not the greatest. My twists are not very uniformed. Three, the size of my twist in this video is a large. Now nothing is wrong with large twists, but these twists are much larger than the twists that I installed on my heat damaged hair, so that will affect the outcome. Four, I was in a great rush when I was taking down the twists, so the footage is limited. Still, I hope that you can see that twist outs work on any hair texture and with very little effort and skill. So I hope that this is an encouragement to you to revisit twist outs or to try them for the first time. With a little technique and knowledge, your results will be ever more fabulous. So let me know if you want me to return with an in-depth, step-by-step guide on how to install and take down your twists for spectacular results. But in the meantime, I hope that this video will do. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.
My crown so heavy, better help me carry. My crown so heavy, better help me carry. My crown so heavy, crown so heavy, my crown so heavy.